Hello everyone, I Sanvi Trivedi. Welcome you all to UEC News. Today we have Madhur Wadhwani sir with us. He was offered the highest package in chemical engineering branch. Hello sir, how are you doing?
Hello. Hi, Sanvi. I'm fine. How are you?
I'm great sir. Sir, let us start with your brief introduction.
Okay. So I'm 2020 chemical engineering graduate. Currently, I'm in JK Cement, Noida, as a process engineer, and I've secured a 373 AR in GATE 2021.
That's
I think
great
that's it.
sir. Uh, Sir, firstly, we would like to know how you used to be in your college days. Like, what kind of student were you used to be?
Okay. So basically, I'm the topper one. I'm the topper of my class, chemical
The
engineering
one
class.
who gives like end moment tuitions to others.
Yeah. Kinda.
Front bencher, sir?
Friend bencher sometimes. Baki, yeah, I'm with the friends at the middle of or back of mostly. Friend benches sometimes.
Sir, how did you become interested in this field?
Okay, so how I opted now? How I opted this?
हाँ, like पहले कुछ इंटरेस्ट आया होगा like chemical engineering branch ली आपने so
Okay, okay. So things started a very back. It's about 11th or 12th class. In 11th, I got too much fascinated with the chemistry. I got केमिस्ट्री बहुत पसंद आ गई थी 11th और 12th में तो सोचा ये इंजीनियरिंग तो करनी थी और केमिस्ट्री पसंद आ गई थी सोचा इससे मिलता जुलता क्या मिल रहा है केमिकल एक दिखा सर्च करने पे केमिकल है तो सोचा केमिस्ट्री रिलेटेड ही होगा केमिकल सो आई ऑप्टेड इट पर लेटर ऑन पता चला कि इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंस है they are entirely different chemistry is different thing and chemical engineering is different thing in either a practical way or theoretical way both are completely different later on I get came to know but yeah, I'm happy that I opted chemical engineering. Yeah, it's an interesting branch, and yeah, मेरा interest भी था कि यार industries देखते थे बड़ी-बड़ी on the way, तो how this works और क्या है, कैसा है. Now I came to most of the time कि कैसा क्या होता है. So yeah, chemical engineering is my interest, so I opted it.
सर सो लाइक आज के सिनेरियो में काफी लोग आईटी सेक्टर को ज्यादा प्रेफर करते हैं एंड दे थिंक दैट केमिकल इंजीनियरिंग में कम स्कोप होता है एज कंपेयर टू like other branches. So is it true that chemical engineering has less career opportunities in India as compared to the other engineering streams?
I mean, I can't say that. Chemical engineering में भी scope है काफी. केमिकल इंजीनियरिंग में एज कम्पेयर टू अगर अपन दूसरी ब्रांचेस में देखें तो वहाँ पे बच्चे भी बहुत ज़्यादा है वहाँ कंपटीशन बहुत है लाइक कम्पेयर टू सीएस और मैकेनिकल देख लो जो कोर ब्रांचेस है मतलब इंजीनियरिंग की पर वहाँ प्लेसमेंट्स है काफ़ी पर वहाँ स्टूडेंट्स भी काफ़ी है पर इन केमिकल यहाँ जैसे स्टूडेंट्स कम है यहाँ पे कंपटीशन कम है और यहाँ पे अगर अपने पास राइट स्किल्स हैं और नॉलेज है यू कैन गेट इन टू द फील्ड good domain or good industry, you can get into it. और yeah, coming to that at present scenario condition, yeah, IT और CS में तो बहुत ज़्यादा boom आया है. Completely this due to the COVID situation, जो अपनी ये जो local industries थी normal, उन पे काफ़ी affect हुआ है. पर like yeah, CSIT, in CSIT what all you need? A one Wi-Fi connection and a laptop. That's all you need. So with that, you are having the job. So yeah, CSIT secure at this time. We can say that in this volatile situation, CSIT secure रहा and थोड़ा अफेक्ट तो हुआ है बाकी इंडस्ट्रीज और केमिकल इंडस्ट्रीज में काफी कुछ अफेक्ट हुए काफी जॉब लॉसेस हुए हैं सो या कि सीएसआईटी में थोड़ा स्टेबिलिटी रही कमिंग टू द अगर अपन प्रेजेंट सिनेरियो के कंटेक्स्ट में बात करें तो या स्टेबिलिटी यहाँ पे रही है पर एट द सेम टाइम आई कांट डिनाई कि सीएसआईटी मतलब केमिकल में कुछ नहीं है केमिकल में भी स्कोप है थोड़ा अफेक्ट हुआ है मैं मानता हूँ इस कंडीशन में पर या स्कोप है केमिकल में
लाइक लोगों को इतना पता नहीं है मतलब अभी बस लाइक ऐसा होता है कि एक दूसरे की सुन के वो लोग मान लेते हैं लाइक कुछ ट्राई नहीं करते कभी किसी ने बोला तो सीएसआईटी
हाँ
लाइक लोग प्रेफर करना ज्यादा वो ज्यादा प्रेफर करते हैं बट इस वजह से शायद इसमें कंपटीशन भी कम है बट स्कोप तो है
स्कोप तो है इनको क्या बोले मिथ्स बोले या मिसबिलीफ बोले पता नहीं क्या बोले कि लोग है ना कोर की तरफ ज्यादा जाते हैं लाइक मैकेनिकल इलेक्ट्रिकल ये सब ब्रांचेस ले लो कोर की तरफ लोग ज्यादा जाते हैं और ये जैसे मतलब ये थोड़ी एकदम कोर ब्रांचेस नहीं है लाइक केमिकल एग्रीकल्चर बायोकेमिकल पर ये इमर्जिंग ब्रांचेस है इन नियर फ्यूचर में मतलब इन फ्यूचर अभी देख लो बायोकेमिकल बहुत ज़्यादा बूम कर रहा है, तो ये ब्रांचेस भी हाँ मतलब ऐसे इतना ज़्यादा पीपल अटेंशन में नहीं है, पर या दिस आर इमर्जिंग एंड ग्रोइंग ब्रांचेस, so one can't deny their existence, or they are going easy, they are going successfully, they are growing, they are growing. CSIT ने आई एग्री कि काफी ज्यादा बूम कर लिया है कुछ अभी कुछ इयर्स में, पर या दोनों
सर तो आपने जैसे केमिकल इंजीनियरिंग ब्रांच चूज की है, तो व्हाट आर द मोस्ट इफेक्टिव स्ट्रेटजीज फॉर सीकिंग अ पोजीशन इन दिस फील्ड?
केमिकल इंजीनियरिंग इंडस्ट्री में एंट्री लेने के लिए यार फर्स्टली तो बेसिक नॉलेज आपके कंसेप्ट क्लियर होने चाहिए आई थिंक। बेसिकली अगर आपको केमिकल इंजीनियरिंग कंसेप्ट क्लियर है देन यू कैन क्रैक एनी एग्जाम और एनी इंटरव्यू वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट, अगर आपको कंसेप्ट क्लियर है। सेकेंडली आजकल जैसे व्हाट आई से देयर इज अ डिजिटल एरा, ठीक है, समथिंग कुछ ऑनलाइन एसोसिएटेड, तो सेम विद केमिकल इंजीनियरिंग अभी क्या जैसे काफी सारे देयर आर रिसेंट सॉफ्टवेयर्स दैट आर highly मतलब highly advanced softwares are available in chemical engineering like Aspen HYSYS, DWSM, MATLAB. So if you have a grip over this softwares, so yeah, that helps a lot. I think if you have that given over upper edge to you, that you know have the knowledge of softwares and bachelor's degree with your subjects or with your theoretical knowledge, you have the that software knowledge. Yeah, I think that give a upper hand. So this helps.
So the most important question, like for our viewers, how much does this profession pay? Like, what was the package offered to you?
Okay, so package, I can say, let me give a study example. In the US, the chemical engineering is the highest paid engineer according to US studies. So same with here, the more experience you gain, the more the salary you gain. Because chemical engineering was a so delicate work. You have to handle a big, huge industries production. So chemical engineer role is a critical role. So if you get the knowledge and experience in that, good knowledge and experience in that field, so I think there is a huge pay scale of chemical engineering. And yeah, coming to that point, I have offered a CTC of 5 lakh
Right.
and that JK Cement, but that depend, yeah, but that depend vary too from the sector to sector. In the chemical engineering, there are various domains like either in your process designing or manufacturing field like fertilizer, chemical, cement, petroleum, petrochemical. So it vary with the sector. And in oil or refinery, they are the highest paid.
Right. We talk about internship, then लोग काफी ज्यादा मतलब internship को काफी prefer करते हैं करना। Then क्या आपने internship के लिए apply किया था? और according to you, what is the role of an intern and like importance of internship?
Mm. Interns play a very crucial role. Yeah, interns are like mock test before the exams. पूरा मतलब you get to know the whole atmosphere, what you gonna do after degree if you get into that field. So yeah, interns are very important. I have done 2 interns. One is a minor intern after second year and major intern after third year completion. So yeah, both helps me in getting to know what chemical engineering, how a chemical engineer works and how industries run. Yeah, that give a complete overview and get to know, and you get to know you want to go in this field or you want to change something different, different domain in that context. Like chemical engineering, there are many fields. You can either go in production, you either go in safety, you either go in process designing or R&D. There are vivid options. So yeah, interns let us know to get to know where help to know find interest in that in which field you have the interest. So yeah, internships are very important.
All right. Then how
Yeah,
has life been so far as a chemical engineer?
as a chemical engineering, yeah, intern stuff, yeah, yeah, very affect a lot to get to know more. But yeah, same is applicable to all branches. Interns helps a lot to get to know about. Priorly, you get to know what you're gonna do after that degree completion or when you get to job. So it's applicable to all branches.
Sir, what did you enjoy the most about your college life?
I can say my college life is best life. Yeah, college years are the 4 years are the very best and memorable years of my life. Getting कैसे कहें यार, मतलब जो जिंदगी जो दिन देखे ना कॉलेज में दैट आर बेस्ट, मतलब दोस्तों के साथ मिलना मस्ती करना। और कॉलेज तो लेक्चर्स तो हमारे लगते ही नहीं थे कभी। हमारा डिपार्टमेंट थोड़ा चिल था, लेक्चर्स तो लगते ही नहीं थे, हम तो बस जाते थे, दोस्तों से मिल लिए, एक लेक्चर लगा, एक दो लेक्चर लगे, दैट्स सफिशिएंट। मिल लिए, थोड़ा घूम लिए, कुछ खा पी लिया, कभी इधर कभी महाकाल, कभी रामघाट, कभी इधर उधर घूम के, कभी दोस्त के रूम में बैठ के टाइम वेस्ट करके ऑल यार। थोड़ा एटमॉस्फेयर चिल था, अपने कॉलेज का एटमॉस्फेयर थोड़ा चिल है, तो आई थिंक दैट्स सही है बढ़िया। मतलब कॉलेज लाइफ यू एंजॉय हियर, दैट्स ट्रूली रवि भैया के यहाँ चाय पीना, कभी त्रिवेणी घाट पे जाना एंड ऑल, इधर कॉलेज में घूमना बैठना, सो काफी एंजॉय करा।
अभी तक तो कॉलेज जाना हो नहीं पाया है हमारा, तो हम लोग तो लाइक सीनियर से ही सुनते हैं कि दे आर एंजॉयिंग, अच्छा है एक एटमॉस्फेयर एंड लाइक बस सुनते हैं, अभी जब जाना होगा देन विल आल्सो एक्सपीरियंस दैट।
होप सो यार जल्दी हो, क्योंकि कॉलेज ईयर्स आर बेस्ट ईयर्स यार, वन मेमोरेबल ईयर्स होते हैं कॉलेज ईयर्स के तो यार। एंड कोविड सिचुएशन में आई एग्री यार, काफी अफेक्ट करा है, एंड इनफैक्ट हमें भी काफी अफेक्ट करा है कोविड में। दैट वाज आई थिंक लास्ट सेम ऑफ आवर डिग्री, दैट लॉकडाउन केम और लॉकडाउन पूरा लग गया। तो लास्ट सेम था, हमारे भी काफी प्लान्स थे दैट वी गो ऑन अ ट्रिप एंड ऑल डू सच थिंग, बट ऑल दैट प्लान्स वैनिश्ड ड्यू टू कोविड। सो या काफी अफेक्ट हुआ है कोविड के कारण, बट या लेटर ऑन वी मूव ऑन नाउ। ओके,
बैक टू वर्क।
अफेक्ट हुआ है।
सर लाइक किसी भी स्टूडेंट का जो बिगेस्ट फियर रहता है वो रहता है कि इंटरव्यू कैसा जाएगा, मतलब इंटरव्यू के बारे में ऑब्वियसली सबसे ज्यादा डर जो रहता है वो रहता है। तो आपका एक्सपीरियंस आप प्लीज शेयर करेंगे, आपका कैसा था?
ओके, इंटरव्यू मेरा क्या कहूँ, मेरा काफी विविड एक्सपीरियंस रहा इंटरव्यूज में। एक्चुअली आई गॉट सेलेक्टेड इन टीसीएस, दैट सेकंड बीओआरएल भारत ओमान रिफाइनरी, एंड थर्ड वन जेके सीमेंट. So I have kind of say I have a vivid experience, but situation something happened due to COVID. Finally, I got a joining into JK Cement. So coming to the, let me talk about first CSIT sector like TCS. So in TCS, I have also in the college year, I have also done gone through the coding in the first year. I've gone through the coding. So I remember a little bit. I revised that time of placements. There is a in TCS there is a basic written aptitude paper, aptitude in coding. That was okay. If you have a knowledge, you can crack it. And in the interviews, uh, I'm from a like a chemical engineering domain, so that and TCS interview is a kind of basic interview. If you are clear with the fundamentals, they all talk about first question is the fix. They tell me about yourself. In the technical, they mainly ask about what are OOPS, fundamental of OOPS, OOPS concept, what is OOPS concept, fundamentals of OOPS, what is data structures, algorithm. They all that's same basic questions to everyone. The thing is that how you can connect how a chemical engineering get to the CS field. If you get to that answer, you will crack that interview. And other is the basic interview. Coming to the chemical domain or chemical sector, there is a basic HR round. And HR round, they expect the same questions. Tell me about yourself, family background, uh, what's your strength, where you can see in yourself in 5 years.
Hmm.
Or the question I was asked that why you choose chemical engineering.
Hmm.
So that's the question you have to describe that what you get to the what you go why you choose that field, that you have to answer that question. Chemical engineering, because chemical engineering is a rare branch. How you get into it or how you choose it, so you have to justify that. And in the technical section, there you were asked your favorite subjects. Mainly there are some few core chemical subjects like mass transfer, heat transfer, chemical reaction engineering, or thermodynamics, and CRE, in which mostly assume in this five there you are asked to choose a three subjects, so you can give three subject name. The whole interview goes through that three subjects, and all these are the main subjects of the chemical engineering. If you have a command over any three of that subject, or you can kill the interview, you can drop the interview. Yeah, so that's okay. And if you have all thing, and later on they were asked about my extracurricular activities, so I have explained what I have participated in all, and later on I give that about that I have learned about that software. Some softwares I have gone through the in a bachelor's degree. I learned by myself, ISPAN or DWSM. The this got their interest that a bachelor students know about software simulation. So this got their interest. So that's all my interviews in technical domain or non-code domain.
But if you could do it all over again, then what would you choose? The same path for yourself? Like, if not, then what would you change?
Definitely it would be chemical engineering because I love that what I've gone through that 4 years. So I enjoy chemical engineering. It definitely would be chemical engineering, but there are different domains in chemical engineering. I'm in the manufacturing one, so I kind of choose the I could change that one. Like I have got an interest, I got to know, and I got an interest in process designing. The one that designs the chemical industries, they're all heat exchangers or reactor. So it got my kind of interest. In a chemical engineering, one might got into the different domains like manufacturing, safety, process designing, or R&D. There are different sectors that one can got into. That process designing got my interest. I will choose that one if I got a chance.
Or like, sir, last but not the least, like, sir, any suggestions or advice you would like to give someone who is considering this field?
Okay. So firstly, yeah, there is a misbeliefs or kind of misbeliefs are that it's not a core branch or one might fear that taking this non-core branch like a chemical engineering, but there is a boon. I repeat that if you have a proper skills and knowledge, you get into a good and there are all are like coming to that non-core branches like chemical, biochemical. They're they've got a booming time. They are growing continuously. Like coming to the pharmaceutical sector got a huge boom in that COVID times. And pharmaceutical is what? Pharmaceutical is associated with the chemical engineering. So yeah, one might also get a chance. There are also growing industries, growing sectors, you can say. So one didn't got a fear key not get into the core branches like electrical or mechanical. One opt for that. Um, if you yeah.
Alright. Sir, thank you for joining us. It was great talking to you, sir.
Also from this side also I have a great time and talking to with UEC when I get into contact with the UEC once again. That a good thing. Yeah, I enjoyed.
Thank you so much,
That
sir.
a good.
Have a good
Okay.